In aerospace and defense industries, there are a lot of challenges which the industry faces. The different type of materials, what they produce, the accuracy and the repeatability, manpower issue, and a lot of need for the automation in this industry. I'm Sangeet Kumar, heading marketing at LMW Limited. J6, which answers the top priorities of bottlenecks of aerospace industry. This machine can handle 1 meter job by y-axis 600 by z 600. It comes with direct-driven spindle with 12,000 rpm and with 48-meter rapid. So this machine is really capable of handling large components, and also it is capable of producing precision parts, and also it maintains critical accuracy and repeatability. On aerospace and defense, we do have large products like vertical machining centers, large horizontal turning centers, multi-axis turn mill centers. We LMW Limited answering the needs of various engineering industries. Here in HIMTEX, we are showcasing two new products, machining centers and turning centers and complete machining solutions. Please do visit us in hall number 4, stall number 4J01.